ఈ ముద్ద పప్పు ఆహా భలే 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 జబర్దస్త్.
Making pickles is a celebration. Everybody will get to participate in making the pickles. These pickles will be always on the dining table, and whenever we have any meal, we tend to eat that. Based on seasons, we make different type of pickles. Now lemons are available in this season, so here we got lot of them, and let's start making this simple pickle. First, just wash the lemon. Take nice lemon which you don't see any spots on it, and wash it and wipe it off with a clean cloth. We don't want any moisture because we are going to store this for at least 6 months. Let's cut them into small pieces. Whichever size you want, you can cut them, big, small. So here I like to cut it like this. This is easy to eat, you know, in one bite it goes. It will be nice. Sour. Put everything in a bowl. You want to remove the seeds, you can just remove the seeds. I'm going to cut the rest of them into small pieces. Then we are going to mix it. So here you can see I made 8 pieces in one lemon. You get the lemon with lot of juices in this season, and it is little bit cheaper also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 2 variations. We are going to transfer some in another bowl, and in this we are going to add just the turmeric and salt, lot of salt. You just mix them, and we are going to put little bit of lemon juice. If you are taking 10 lime to make it into small pieces, use around 4 to 5 of lime juice to make this pickle. Mix it. This we need to put it in a container, airtight container or a glass jar, and keep it safe for 15 days. And later after 15 days, and add chili powder and put tempering. That's all. Very simple. So this I'm going to keep aside. This is one variation. The other one is we are going to mix everything right away. Turmeric, little bit more, and you need to add correct amount of salt. Then only your pickle stays for longer time. Otherwise, you know, it get fungus. So add salt, chili powder. If you add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, then add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Mix this. This lemon pickle need to stay for at least 15 days, then only we can have this lime pickle. We cannot have it right away because this will be bitter. You can see this, I have mixed it nicely, and in this we are going to add the lemon juice. If you want to have it little bit early, like my Vahchef, he has it after 2 days itself. If you want nice that sour taste, then have it after 10 days. This also we are going to put it in a container. This is nice sour. So let's keep this aside and wait for 10 days, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. You know, this will become soft and the color changes. Lot of juices comes out from this lime pickle, and later we are going to put the tempering with little bit of cumin seeds, and if you want you can add some curry leaves, even you know crunchy chana dal, urad dal, and even the red chillies, because this gives nice sour taste when you mix it in the pickle.
ఈ ముద్ద పప్పు ఆహా భలే 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 జబర్దస్త్.